Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rakhi Reviews. Today we are going to review some flashcards. I have chosen this flashcard from Imperial English UK, and this consists of 100 English essential flashcards. They are illustrated by Martin and Emma, and it consists of various topics. The cost of this package of flashcards is 400 rupees, and I have purchased it from Amazon at the same price of 400 rupees. There was no discount at the time of purchase. I like these flashcards because they consist of various topics, and also the 100 cards are effectively divided among the various topics. So we have colors, shapes, alphabets, numbers, size, parts of the body, and days of the week. There are 12 colors card, 10 cards from shapes, 26 alphabet cards, 20 number cards, 6 size cards, 19 parts of the body, and 7 days of the week cards. So it is a multi-purpose usage, as you can see, which is clearly written here. Write on and wipe off cards, arts and craft, coloring, playing, memorizing, developing vocab, spelling and writing practice, because words and letters are mentioned here. Effective learning methods, it is both effective for parents and teachers, improves the auditory learning, visual learning, kinesthetic learning, creative storytelling. The pack includes, as you can see, is mentioned double-sided flashcards, and it is a good guide for teacher and parents. So I would say this is a good investment because these cards are very funky, they are colorful, they are bright images, and they are very eye-catching for the toddlers. I have purchased it for my 1-year-old son, and you can see the individual section of the cards I will clearly mention here. My 1-year-old son thoroughly enjoys these cards because he can associate these pictures with the real life objects which he is observing around him. So the cards are double sided, as they have mentioned. You can see here it is acting as a guide for the teachers or parents. When you flash this card for your child, this side is facing the child, then this side faces the parents or the teachers. So clearly you can see A, capital A, small a, picture of apple, spelling of apple, and at the back of the card similar pattern is mentioned, so that the teachers and parents have a clear idea of which card they are flashing at the toddlers. So this is very useful guide for the parents and teachers. So this section of alphabets consists of 26 cards. These are more of funky cards. You can say that they aren't very realistic images, but again they are funky. They catch the attention of the child because I can clearly see my toddler enjoying these cards. And I would just quickly show you some of the cards, flash you some of the cards, individual cards from this section. So these are some of the cards, as you can see. Other sections I will mention gradually one by one, so that you can have a clear idea of the cards. So it's convenient for you to observe the cards. Yes, ice cream, jackets, see, all the cards are colorful with different backgrounds, different funky images, and this grabs the attention of the child because they are available in various colors. The thickness or the quality of the cards, as you can see, is also very good. It might not be too thick or too thin, but it is definitely glossy and it is good. Of course, the handling by the kids, it's a different thing. Parents can easily show the cards and keep it so that it lasts for a longer time. So this is how the card quality looks like and how the pictures look like. So here they can learn about the images or the alphabet association, the spelling, and capital letters as well as the small letters. So these cards are very bright colorful images, as I had mentioned. So this section is alphabet section. I'll keep it aside. Then we have certain, as it is mentioned here, we have size. So quite helpful for toddlers to understand the distinction between the size. It helps them to differentiate between or identifying between tall and short, thin and fat, big and small. So this is again the size cards, as I have mentioned you. Again, days of the week, you can see it is easily available here. All are colorful and again easily identifiable by your kids. These are some of the shapes which is mentioned here: star, cylinder, square. Every image has a similar pattern at the back: hexagon, triangle, circle, cone, rectangle. So this section is shapes. Then the other section is again numbers. They have clearly mentioned here spelling. But here what I am finding one of the cons is they have not mentioned it in figures 1, 2 or 3 like that, but they have only mentioned the spelling of the numbers. So this I find it a bit weird, because they should have categorically mentioned the numbers so that it is very easily identifiable by the toddlers. So this again consists of 1, 2, the various pictures undoubtedly are very colorful. Background of the cards are also very colorful, attractive. Shape, definitely it's rectangular, and quality undoubtedly is good, better than the flashcards available in the market. Yeah, you can definitely engage your child with these flashcards when we are having online classes. You can definitely engage them at home. So these are the body parts. Again, the different section is body parts. So this, my son has easily learnt all the body parts from these flashcards. So again, every part of the body is covered. Around 19 cards they have in this section. Okay, the next is colors. Again, they have bright colors mentioned here in each of the flashcards: white, orange, black, brown, blue, green, silver, pink. So everything has here one, each flashcard has a on the back side there's mentioned about the color, although they have not colored it, but they have mentioned the name of the color so that the parents and the teachers can identify it. So overall I would say that since it is covering, the 100 cards are covering 7 different categories at one shot, then and moreover the quality of the cards is also too good. So this is definitely a good purchase. Again, it is on the expensive side, undoubtedly. But if you are looking for something to engage your child, when the children are more interested and keen to find something new, then this is definitely a good option for them. Parents and teachers can look out for this option as a teaching method, because flashcards help the child to recognize, to capture the image at one go and in a very short span of time. So recognition, visual, cognitive ability, everything increases mostly by these flashcards. So this is a good investment of 400 rupees, but again the pricing is a little bit on the higher side compared to the flashcards which are available in the market. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you all.